welcome to a travel vlog where you and we travel together, and today we are going to Vietnam. I and my friend, we are leaving today, and we have taken a flight from Calcutta to Hanoi straight in Indigo. It's just a 2.5 hour flight, so we just went for Indigo. It was convenient, it was also affordable. I think it was for just 7,000 rupees. I had booked it, and this is the Hanoi airport, and this is my first time in Vietnam. It is a very buzzing city. This is the capital city of Vietnam, and we reached early in the morning. It was still like sunrise bhi nahi hua tha tab tak. So we went to the hotel, checked in, rested it out. After the next morning, we just came out to explore the city. You can see very small shops, and there's a train street where we'll be heading next. Waiting to see how the train crosses just right in front of my nose. It's very famous, so we had to head there first. You can see how people are just waiting. There are lots and lots of coffee shops both sides, and there are cafes, and people are just waiting for the train. There are specific times for the train, so whenever you're coming, just find out when is the time. And if you're here, you have to try the Vietnamese egg coffee. I have tried in every shop and everywhere possible throughout the journey, you will see. And if you come here, you have to order something, otherwise they will not let you sit. That's just the way it is. That's how they earn their money. But I don't mind because coffee बहुत ही अच्छी थी, and people are drinking and chilling. It's a whole vibe here. How are you feeling waiting for the train?
Very excited.
ভালো ধরছে ওলা উড়ান ভাবে ধরছে দেখো হ্যাঁ ওই আরে আস্তে আস্তে
I haven't seen a train from so close, really. It was really an amazing and scary feeling at the same time, but you guys must experience this at least once if you are coming here. Later we visited this Ho Chi Minh's museum, and this serves as the resting place of the Vietnamese revolutionary leader and President Ho Chi Minh. You can see the Guards parade, and you can see Guard Exchange and the Vietnamese flag. There's also a temple nearby which you can visit if you want to. And after spending some time here, we straight away headed to the riverside. This is the Red River that flows mainly across Hanoi and throughout Vietnam, and people are so chill here. They are chilling by the riverside. You can see actually this city is very like small. You can enjoy and just stroll around and just walk and cover the entire city actually. You can also take these rickshaw rides. It's very cute and cool, so just for the experience we tried, and we headed to Old Potters in the rickshaw. The driver is also coming. शाम होते होते ही इस जगह का वाइब पूरा बदल गया है, and you can see people walking around, chilling, playing music, children are running around, like everyone is on a holiday. It seems like it's just like you can walk around, stroll, shops. There are like little shops that you can pick up cute things from. There are lots and lots of cafes, so we headed to this cafe next. This is the Note Coffee, and very interesting place. I had seen it on Instagram, is very famous there. So here everyone has come and left a note and stuck it on the walls, and the whole decoration is about the notes only. So we also drank some egg coffee, of course. It was nice, and we also of course left a note. This is very unique concept which I only saw here. So we just spent some time here, and later we went to the puppet show. You can check out the water puppet show if you're interested or you have kids. It's a nice blend of culture of Vietnam, and they show lots of dragons and how they fought the war and everything. It's a very unique experience. For day 2, we headed to Halong Bay. This is the most famous place for which people visit Vietnam. There was like a 2-day cruise that we took. You can of course do a day trip, but I will highly recommend staying in the cruise for a day so that you can chill and enjoy all the amenities of this place. They give you amazing buffet food, like 3-course meal for lunch, breakfast, dinner. There are snacks, there's a Muay Thai that you can learn, you can so many entertaining things. And look at the view from our room, guys. This is what heaven must be looking like. It's so pretty and so beautiful, and our rooms were like really nice and cozy. This is a little room tour. এসব দেখছি নাকি বেডে বসে You can just lay in your bed and look at this amazing view from your bed, just lying down and chill. And look at the bathroom, guys. Bathroom से भी एक view है must. So I overall highly recommend कि आप यहाँ पे at least stay for one night and experience this whole journey and just enjoy your moment. And this ship will stop and give you a schedule, so it will stop at places and take you to 3 different spots. So you will be shifted to a mini boat and you will be headed to 3 different amazing islands from, and again they'll bring you back to the ship. So now we are heading first to the Tiptoe Island. So the first stop was this particular island. It's called the T-Top Island, and you can swim here or you can go right up and get a 360-degree view. So बहुत सारे stairs है. So if you're comfortable climbing, you can go right at the top, or you can choose to go to up to 1 level from where you will get this particular view. So we decided to stop in the first level itself and not climb right at the top, and this was good enough for us. And the weather was so pleasant. This is the month of October. It's quite windy, pleasant, not too hot in Vietnam. There are like restaurants, there are cafes. You can chill and take a swim if you want to in the water, and just spend your time. About 1 hour they'll give you in this T-Top Island. Next we are headed to the Lone Cave. Now this place was so interesting and in my experience more beautiful than the T-Top one. This is what I was looking for, and even while you're traveling you will get to see such beautiful view of the whole Halong Bay. And in the Lone Cave you can choose to either kayak if you want to, or you can choose other boats. Even the boat ride was amazing, and they will take you under these caves. You can only go under these caves during low tide, so high tide में मत आना. मतलब they will tell you what are the timings. But can you guys see the beauty of this place? You can kayak and go on your own if you want to. Otherwise we just chose the boat. And this place is so amazing. It's the first time I'm seeing something like this. This whole thing sometimes goes underwater also. Right now it's low tide, so we are just boating and cruising below the caves where you can see all the corals and some sea animals. Some water was dripping. It was a little creepy but beautiful at the same time, like beauty of the nature. Next, we went to this limestone cave. This was so beautiful, guys. This is called the Sangsot Cave or the Surprising Cave because it was accidentally discovered. And can you see this beautiful stalactites and stalagmites, the amazing hollow limestone cave. इधर आने के लिए भी आपको 1000 steps in total, like going up and coming down चढ़ना पड़ेगा, so keep that in mind, but it's worth it. It's just totally worth coming, and they have lit it beautifully to go and observe. Can you see the structures? This whole thing was under the water, and we are right now inside one of those green mountains that you were seeing all this while. We are actually inside one of those, so it's just blowing my mind, and the camera cannot capture the beauty of this place. I feel like you have to go and visit it to even experience it. It is huge, it's hollow, and just you have to touch and feel the place.
And that viewpoint na you could see full 360 degree.
You could see the opposite side. This is beautiful. কেমন লাগলো হ্যালংডু?
দারুন দারুন।
Out of the three, what did you like best? 3 spots.
The surprising cave. লোন কেভটাও ভালো ছিল, তবে সারপ্রাইজ।
Next day, we are headed to take a flight to the next city of Vietnam, which is Da Nang, where you will get to see that amazing golden bridge, and there will be lots of fun in the next vlog. So this vlog is to be continued, so wait for part 2 for Hoi An and more amazing stuff. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned for part 2. Bye.